Hello and welcome to another video from oorail. In this video we're taking a look at Bachmann's new Works test train. It's in blue and grey livery, which has been heavily weathered, and it's got departmental ADB prefixed running numbers on the side of the coaches. You get two Mk1 SK coaches, and it looks like they've been gone a little further with the detailing. There's some fans as well as some extra window detailing around some of the windows you can see there, in addition to the weathering. The product code for this is 39-001. I picked this up because it's kind of a unique item. It's not something that you see every day, and it actually had a purpose at British Rail. So whenever a locomotive had undergone either maintenance or overhaul or repairs, it would go through what's called a load bank. So the locomotive would be hooked up to this load bank. It's either a kind of shed or side building, or a recycled wagon, and these things would usually either have a resistive load, or some of the older ones were a kind of a tender with a water-based load. And basically they would hook these up to the locomotive and do various load testing on the loco without it actually moving. So once it passed the tests with the load bank, it would then be hooked up to this test train, so they could go out and do a few test runs before it returned to service. So you can see it's actually kind of a cool thing to have in your layout. So it's a pretty nice item to pick up. It's a little expensive. It's about £65, but when you factor in Bachmann's new 20% price increase, while it is a bit expensive compared to how much a set of weathered Mk1 SK coaches would have set you back a few months ago, it's not too much more. If you look at it compared to what I paid for Mk1 SK coaches last year, which is about £22 per coach, you're paying about an extra £20 for weathering and some extra detailing, as well as the departmental running numbers. But considering it's a pretty cool product, what it was used for, and how you can use it on your layout. So here I've got it hooked up to a class 25. I think what I'll be using this for is whenever I review a British Rail, at least blue livery diesel locomotive, I'll probably hook it up to these two coaches and do a few pans with the load test. So it'd be kind of cool in that respect. And likewise, you could do something similar running on your layout, or if you use it for exhibitions, it would also be kind of cool. So what I'm going to do next is just do a quick slow pan back and forth, so you can see the detail on both the coaches, and then we'll wrap it up. Okay, so there you have it. That is the Bachmann Works test train in blue and grey livery. It's heavily weathered. Just to clarify, you do not get the class 25. So the product code is 39-001, and it's for 2 BR Mk1 SK coaches. So the 2 coaches you do not get the logo. Just wanted to clarify that. So other than that, it's a very nice set of rolling stock. I'll be using it here on the layout quite a bit, I hope. So like I did say, it was a little bit pricey, but it's definitely worth it in my opinion. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you got to get a nice look at the 2 test coaches. And if you liked this video or you found this video helpful, please like it and comment below. And please feel free to share it to your friends and family who might be interested in model railways. If you have any requests, please feel free to mention them in the comments, or you can send a message to us on Twitter at @oorail or #oorail. And hopefully you enjoyed this video, and until next time.